Alright, we're installing a new oil pump. It came with a gasket for this pickup area, and to prime this, since it's a new part and I don't want it to be anywhere near dry on initial startup, I'm going to put some oil in the pickup area and spin the inner gearing to kind of work it around.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So now you can see it drew oil out of this one. So you know you've worked it around. Woo. All right, now I would say we're probably good. So this gear kind of free floats around, and you're going to need it to line up with the splines on your crankshaft gear. That's what drives your oil pump and creates circulation. This piece right here is your tensioner. So when you're ready, you're going to pull this pin out. That'll release this bar and create tension on your timing chain. You want to make absolutely sure that your timing's correct and you've got all the marks lined up before you pull this pin.
I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
Okay, we're going to use a 13mm bolt to torque these 4 bolts right here that hold on the oil pump. The torque spec for those is 35 foot-pounds. There's a learning curve.
yeah, I'm falling, can you keep me coming for you?